Hello everybody and welcome to SolidCode. In this video we are going to code the teleportation hats that are present in the game. So basically we created this level that will have these teleportation spots, and what we are going to do is teleport the ball from a source to a destination. So let's see how we did it. First of all, I set it this level using elements that we already coded in previous tutorials, and I added these hats right here. So basically we are using the hat prefab. If we go here, you will find it in prefabs right here, and this is the properties that it has. It has sprite renderers with a simple sprite. Those sprites can be found here in the custom folder of sprites, and you will see that I have two of them, the green one and the red one. For this element, the most important thing that we have is that we are using circle colliders that are triggers. So the idea is that when they collide with the ball, they will trigger. And we added a script on all of them. And the most important thing is that, for example, this one right here that is hat2, it has an attribute destination, which is another game object. In this case it's hat1. So basically what we are doing is to teleport from hat2 to hat1 the ball, and from hat3 to hat4. So basically it's a very simple element, and let's see how this script works. This is the implementation. Basically we have an on trigger enter 2D, and we are checking two things: if our collider triggers with the ball or the bubble. That is important. For now we want that if it collides with the ball, it will teleport to the destination, which is this game attribute that we can set. And if interacts with the bubble, we are going to destroy the bubble for now, at least for this level. And the teleport to destination, what it does is that it takes the game object ball and it will move it to the destination position. So basically that is all that it does. And with all those things, we now have the implementation of this level. On next level we will be coding the spider of the game. So please stay tuned, subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and see you on next video.